welcome back to my channel. I am finally potting up the fire sticks that I got at the yard sale. They have cast over. I'm not potting all of them because obviously I got a lot, but nice cutting that I cut that I really like. I'm gonna use, it's a pretty big piece, so I'm gonna use that. Right now I'm just mixing the dirt with some perlite. And did somebody say something? Oh, I thought somebody said something over there. It's really hard to mix the whole thing because what? Okay, so I'm just filling up my pot. And then it is 4th of July, the day before 4th of July, so there's a lot of commotion going on, and you might even hear some fireworks. And my daughter is out here. She wanted to help, so you'll hear me talking to her. She likes the plants. My youngest, she really likes to be involved with the plants. So right now I'm gonna fill this. Again, I said I haven't decided what plants exactly I want to put in here. So I do have family coming over to the pool right now because it's a good time, so you might hear them in the background, even though I told them I was doing a video, but it's okay. Okay, so I think my daughter picked, you said these three, right? You didn't want to switch this one for this one?
No, I like that one.
Okay. So my daughter chose the topsy-turvy, this cactus, and the fire sticks to go together, which is good because eventually, like I said, I want this to be in full sun. At least, you know, full morning sun and maybe mid-afternoon, I don't know. Topsy-turvy can handle the sun pretty well. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and first take my fire sticks right here. And I'm just gonna place them where I want. It's gonna be the easiest one to plant because it doesn't have roots. And yes, it doesn't have roots, and I won't be watering this, but these plants can handle not being watered for a while. I think they'll do fine. And I think that, guess what, Kayla? I think this cactus is too tall for this pot.
I don't like it.
I know you like it, but it's too tall. See, it's gonna hit the fire stick, so I need a smaller one. Yeah, you've got to be very careful. You don't want to use the one that I wanted to use, which was that one. It's okay, I'll reuse the pot. No, I like the dark green one. Yeah, that's not fresh. Okay, so we're gonna use this one instead of the tall one because it's just too tall. It's gonna interfere with the fire sticks. And you know what? This is a good time to see if it's rooted yet, because I made a video of when I potted this with no roots and I haven't checked it. So let's just go ahead and see. And then we can look back on my video and see how long if it rooted yet. And actually this one, I think, I don't know. Okay, look, it has tons and tons of root, guys. Can you see that? I'm not even in the screen. There you go. Those are all the roots. So that's pretty cool, and I like it because it is a darker green. So that's gonna look really nice there. And this one can handle the sun. This one is was already, obviously I have to get it slowly introduce it to full sun, but it'll be fine. I won't have to do it yet because the fire sticks have no roots, so I have to wait until the fire sticks have roots in order for me to introduce the sun. And somebody is doing something in the backyard. She's got babies. I'm not going to remove them. Just squeeze the plant out. It doesn't want to come out. Goodness. Look at all that. See, she was already overwatered, so I definitely don't want to water her for a good while. I just recently got this at Home Depot, and it had been raining very frequently, so it is very overwatered. I mean, you guys saw when I bought this, and look, I haven't watered it and it's still soaked because I didn't do what I said I would do, which is normally I take them out and let them dry out. But the reason I didn't do that is because the topsy-turvy is a pretty strong plant. I've had mine already for a year, and I haven't had any issues with her, knock on wood. She has produced many babies for me. This is a really really fertile cactus. She makes lots of babies. So if you want a baby making machine, this one. And so is I heard that which they're very similar. I heard that the cubic frost is the same way. Cubic frost is a baby making machine as well. So I'm just making a hole and trying to put her in here. My family's being so nice and quiet. You guys can say hi, YouTube. Oh, this cactus, it's piercing my stuff. Hey guys, I'm almost done. Just gotta dress it up and then show you. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I really like the way this looks. Really looks like a desert, something in the desert. So I really like the way that turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and click on the bell so that you get notified when I do upload a video. And God bless, guys. Thank you.